Happy? Are you happy? See, Daddy's cleaning the van. See that? Daddy's cleaning the van because it's the very dirty outside. So we're just going to clean the van outside only. Yeah. You like it? I know you like it because it's the water. You love water. You love water. Excuse me. You love water. We're going to Joyride today, this morning. Today is July 28th, 9:24 a.m. So we woke up early because we're going Joyride. It's Sunday morning here. We're going to bonding. Oh, you scared, Quincy? You scared, Quincy? Oh, you scared? Daddy? Daddy? Because when daddies have work, we don't have time to just like that. Oh, put it there, and then over there, and then put the token, $1 of coin. Okay, you done, Daddy? Okay, let's go. Ganda-ganda, oh. Tingnan mo, nakita mo yan? Ganda ng kalsada. May mga flowers pa sa gilid. Ha? Ganda-ganda. Ganda ng ang ganda ng kalsada dito. Ang ganda ng view. Parang nasa Amerika na rin ikaw, Nako. Nakita mo na yung mga view, Nak. Daddy, Nathaniel is already also in America with us. Nathaniel is already in America. It's already on the view. You ride with us. Tingnan, ang ganda ng mga tree. Ayun, ang ganda ng tree, oh. Oh. Parang ginugupit. Oh, nakita mo yan? Ang ganda. Wendover Avenue. Ang ganda talaga pag mapuno, no? Mahangin. Sarap sa mata. Mag-ano kami, Joyride. Daddy, we have time to us. Daddy have spent time to us. Yay! You happy, Daddy? You look like not happy. We just only happy, not Daddy. Ganda ng mga puno. Ganda ng flowers, oh. Ah, ganda ng flowers. Beautiful. Hindi ang layo namin. Ha? Oh, ano, September. Ano na, ay October, September, October. Ano na, taglamig na.
Nakapuntaan talaga silang bansa.
Ayun, marami, crowded na doon, no? Makikita mo, marami ng ano, marami ng car. Ayan na, marami ng building. Academy. Okay, we are here na in Asian store. Not yet. World market, Daddy, oh. It means world market. It means Asia store. Yeah. World market.
Okay.
I think so. Because world, if it means world Asia, right? Oh, world market. Oh, see, we are here now. World market. Okay, bye-bye, Nak. You want to see outside?